Imagine a world where ordinary pickup trucks simply aren't enough. Then imagine the 2027 Toyota Corolla pickup Brabus. This is far more than a utility vehicle. It's a bold statement on wheels. Finished in a striking black and red color scheme, wearing an aggressive Brabus-inspired carbon fiber widebody package, and riding on oversized off-road tires, this truck commands attention from every direction. Its intimidating front grille, razor-thin LED headlights, muscular proportions, and unmistakable Brabus styling create a presence that's impossible to ignore. This isn't just another pickup. It's the perfect blend of luxury, brutal performance, and head-turning design. If concept vehicles like this are your thing, subscribe now, because every week we showcase the most incredible automotive creations before everyone else. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes this machine so extraordinary. Its appearance promises power, and it absolutely delivers. Beneath the bonnet is a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing an astonishing 800 horsepower, huge torque, lightning-fast throttle response, and an exhaust note that demands attention wherever it goes. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or tackling challenging off-road trails, this Brabus Corolla pickup delivers thrilling performance and total confidence every time you get behind the wheel. But here's the big question. If you had the choice, would you take this over the Ford Raptor R, or would the Ram TRX still win your vote? Open the door, and you'll discover a cabin that feels more like an ultra-luxury SUV than a pickup truck. Premium leather upholstery with signature Brabus stitching, carbon fiber trim across the dashboard, a huge vertical infotainment display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital instrument cluster, and customizable ambient lighting create a truly premium atmosphere. Every control, every surface, and every detail has been crafted to deliver a first-class experience. Of course, exclusivity comes at a cost. The 2027 Toyota Corolla pickup Brabus is expected to start at around $160,000. Is it expensive? Without a doubt. But you're paying for breathtaking styling, extreme performance, handcrafted luxury, and a road presence unlike anything else. There are standard pickup trucks. There are high-performance pickups. And then there's the 2027 Toyota Corolla pickup Brabus, a machine that stands in a league of its own. Now it's your turn. Which would you choose? This, the Ford Raptor R, or the Ram TRX? Let us know in the comments, because your suggestion could inspire our next video. And if you enjoyed this incredible build, subscribe to NTX Auto, so you never miss another legendary concept. We'll catch you in the next one.